Welcome to Camelot. Let's take a look and see what's happening inside.
Wolves, for example, they have the behavioral adaptation of hunting in packs.
What we do for Science Day is we have a fun activity. We come teach them a lesson that corresponds with what they're learning right now so that they can digest the information a little bit easier.
2, 1, go.
Science Day and Science Night came about because we saw a need at the elementary school and the middle school level for interactive science inquiry, basically, and exploration. We reached out to our cluster schools and let them know that Science National Honor Society has members that are willing to go and teach lessons.
The orange might survive.
Just so kids have a love of learning and a love of science. Science Day is an outlet for that. These are things they need to know, but it's better for them to enjoy doing it.
Yeah!
They're very cheerful and energetic, and they have me retain the information by actually doing the experiments.
Remember to make sure you see which cup you're grabbing it from.
I hope that they start to enjoy learning science. I feel like a lot of kids have a stigma against science, and I just really hope that they find a love for learning and a love for science, because I love science, and of course I want everybody to love science too.
Oh, this is already cool.
Science Day actually derives from Science Night. Amy, our president of SNHS, is actually the founder of Science Night. Every other Friday, we have an activity like this, but it's free and it's in the Molly Pruitt Library, so it's bi-weekly. That's where we got inspiration from Science Day, because she took the initiative to establish Science Night.
It's really been far-reaching as far as bringing a community around the Roosevelt Cluster together.
This is how yours should look.
It makes me really happy that they're enjoying this and that they're starting to love learning.
It was quite fun, around a 10 out of 10 lesson.